Hey guys, it's Nina. Welcome back to my channel. So I realized that I hadn't done any curls on my locks at all this summer, which is kind of uncharacteristic of me. So I'm going to show you how I got these quick curls. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I'm going to spray my hair down. I'm not using any setting foam or anything because I really don't have time, and water will give me a good enough hold. So I'm just gonna do that. So how has your summer been, ladies? I'm saying ladies because most of y'all, 85% of y'all are ladies, but shout out to the 15% of guys that watch my videos. Hi. But you know, how has your summer been? What you been up to? How's your situationship going? All that good stuff. Speaking of situationships, man, why do we do this to ourselves? Like, I would say, like, it's a millennial thing, but it's kind of not. I'm sure you probably know some people that aren't millennials that are in these situations, these relationships that ain't really going nowhere, and yet there's commitment, but then there's not really commitment. I don't know, like, why do we do this to ourselves? Seriously. I'm not one to be judging anybody about this because I recently ended a situation that, I mean, I felt like it was more. It definitely could have been more, but it went on for a long time, very long time. And ultimately, it was just not what was best for me. I spent a lot of time and energy trying to work on it. Sometimes you gotta fail fast, like really fail fast and realize, hey, this is not gonna work. I think there's something to be said, like if you're willing to put in the work, but it just has to be the right person. It has to be the right setup, all of that. This happened recently where I decided to end it, and it really was the best thing for me. It was hard to do, but at what point are you really gonna start listening to your intuition? You know, if your intuition is screaming at you every day, it means you need to make a different choice, right? So we just don't listen to that. Like women, we have this radar that will go off, and yet we will find every reason to not listen. How can you really be living your best life? How can you really be having a hot girl summer and all this stuff if you're doing stuff that's like not really true to you? If every day you wake up and you're like, I know I don't want to be doing this. I know I don't want to be here. I know this isn't good for me. I know that I deserve better. I know that I'm worthy of great things, but yet I keep doing things and I keep going back to the same stuff that hurts me because I had to challenge myself. So I want to extend the same challenge to you. It's not just relationships, it's anything in life. A job, you know, something with your family, you know, just something, a goal that you have, anything that you want to do. Like, really ask yourself, am I living true to my values? Or am I doing something because somebody else thinks it's a good idea for me, because I have all this hope and all the signs are showing me that, hey, it's still not working? Are you being real with yourself? Okay, that is my sermon for you this Sunday. Are you being real with yourself right now? I'm not saying that to judge anybody, because trust and believe, I had to ask myself the same thing, okay? And I had to make some adjustments, so don't feel bad. So I'm gonna finish rolling the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna be back. All right, guys, so I'm back. I got my hair all rolled. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about an hour and a half or so. Hopefully my hair dries thoroughly. I really don't have a lot of time. I got somewhere to go. Preferably when I do curls, I like to sit under for at least 2 hours. All right, guys, so I'm back. I sat under the dryer for like an hour and a half, and my locks feel pretty dry. Like they could be a tiny bit drier, but I'm okay. Just gonna start taking them down. I also put some makeup on my face because I ain't have none on earlier. So just gonna slide these out. All right, so curls are out. I like them, of course. I love curls. I have some Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Spray, and it smells really good. All right, guys, so here is the finished result. Curls are definitely a protective style for locks. Like, I have worn curls for a month at one point. They really don't drop if you really set them properly. So these I don't really expect to last that long because I didn't use any setting foam, number one, and also my hair was not completely soaked, number two, or like really damp, and number three, I didn't have a lot of time to sit under the dryer. So I don't have super high expectations on how long these are gonna last, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna last a while anyway. So that's all for this video, just some simple summer curls. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.